Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to play Roblox, but I'm getting error 400. There was a problem with your request, bad request. So what's really going on with Roblox? Let me show you all the latest details, why the Roblox is not working. Alright guys, check this out. This is a global event going on. Check this out, the sheer number of it, 17,837 outage reports. Oh my goodness. That is serious. I mean, the entire Roblox server is down. Imagine this. What's really going on? What kind of a issue? It's kind of a serious one, to be honest with you. So let me show you all the latest details. Alright guys, so right over here onto the Twitter, let's check it out. Is this a global outage or what's really going on? As far as I can see, many people are getting error, unable to verify that you have access to this experience. Please try again later. And let me show you the latest update onto the Twitter. What's really going on? Is Roblox down? Bro, Roblox went down today. Roblox down for everyone. Roblox is having problem. Roblox is down. Teleportation failed. Don't worry, you're not blocked, hacked. Roblox servers are down. And definitely guys, we can see the things. Servers are down. That's the primary issue. Now let me show you when the servers will be back up and running. That's a very important issue moving forward. So let's check out the Roblox Twitter official page for any latest information. Alright, so here you see guys. First of all, let me show you. Many people are getting the services unavailable. Some people are getting unknown error, while many people are saying we are making things more awesome. We'll be back soon. Roblox. Let's talk about the latest update from the Roblox Twitter official page, and here you can see guys, as far as the details goes, they have got the update onto the August 15th, and then we got August 16th update of this UGC program. But let me show you the latest update as of 3 hours ago. Our developer community imagination has limitless space itself. This is their recent tweet, nothing related to our outage situation. Now let's check it out. Is there any replies for any particular user regarding the outage? And as far as I can see, no update. But definitely guys, check this out. 18,400 outage reports as of right now. I'm doing this video, which is a pretty serious thing for the Roblox. Do let me know what kind of error are you getting. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.